time for some bonuses. So welcome back to chapter 9. I'm so happy that you have completed till date, till this particular point. What I've been doing is I have been publishing a lot of content around ChatGPT and for free. And all these are covering many use cases around ChatGPT, right? So here are a couple of bonuses that you can take a look and use it for your own business or your marketing purposes. The first one is how to use ChatGPT for YouTube growth, right? So this video will show you how exactly you can use it to create thumbnails, how you can use ChatGPT to create YouTube headlines, description, all of those. And there are two videos. One is on description and one is on thumbnails. I'll give you the links to that in the description below. And then I'll also show you how to create a buyer's persona with ChatGPT. Whatever marketing campaign you run, you need a proper buyer persona. So this particular video will allow you to create your own buyer persona with eerie details, with very large details, so that you can use it for a marketing campaign, building websites, building landing pages, all sorts of things, right? Next, if you are somebody who wants to build a high ticket funnel, this video will help you craft everything from scratch. This includes writing headlines, landing page copies, VSL copies, the soundtrack you should be using in the VSL, the Facebook ad copies, and everything in there which you will require to build a complete high ticket funnel. So I hope this one helps you a lot. Next, the next bonus is creating a video sales letter with ChatGPT 4. It is very smart, and it can help you craft your own personal video sales letter that you can use for an appointment generation funnel. So this is all for you. Link is in the description or below this particular video. I'll also give you how exactly you can create a Grand Slam offer, and not just that, there are multiple bonuses like how you can create your own offer for an agency or a coaching business, how you can create your own AI app, and how you to write undetectable AI content with ChatGPT so that you can rank your blogs, very fast and produce content very fast, right? These are my selfish ways to make you like me, and I hope that these help you a lot. In return, I only ask for one subscribe and one like so that this helps you a lot, right?